Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to lock a column in your worksheet here on Microsoft Excel. Now if you are new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing you'll want to do, there's actually two different ways of doing this. So the first thing I'd like to do is go ahead to view at the very top, and you see the option for freeze panes. You can go ahead and freeze the first left column. So you can see we have these options here. So even if I put in high, for example, you can see the left lane, the left column stays exactly where it is. However, if you're wanting to freeze or protect a column that's not just on the left hand side, what I recommend doing is selecting these cells. So let's go for these cells, for example. So these 6 cells right here. We'll do right click, format cells, go to protection and click locked. Then we click OK. Now we want to go ahead to the very top of our screen and click on review, and of course go to protect sheet. And now we want to select for this document, we want to allow users to not select lock cells, and so we'll click OK. We'll add a quick password and we'll click OK, and we'll quickly add in the password again. And now users can no longer access these cells. You can see they can access these but not these ones. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.